Go therefore and make disciples of all the nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Matthew 28:19. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited today because I am finally going to launch the fitness side of my channel. I've been asked for the longest to do that. For a little bit, I was like recording like little videos here and there and putting them on Instagram or on my Facebook. But now that I have a YouTube, then I thought that it would be appropriate to start posting them on here. For those of you who do not know, I am a certified personal trainer through NASM, and I've been certified now for about a year. And I enjoy it. I no longer do it like as a like job just by itself, but I like to just help people if they need help. I don't do it for the money or anything. I just really enjoy it. And the reason why I got certified is because I just really want to educate myself on fitness and working out and a little bit of nutrition, but I'm not certified in that. I asked on Facebook, would you guys be interested in any fitness videos? You guys, of course, said yes. I decided to go ahead and film my leg day, which I did the other day. And also a big request was meal prepping. So I decided to go ahead and film me meal prepping some lunch for the next day. So just keep in mind that with the meal prepping, I did not incorporate my macros at all, only because it would have took so long and there would have been a lot of explaining. So the video would have been a lot longer than what I wanted it. But if you guys are interested and you would like to know how to incorporate your macros, or even want to know what macros are and how to incorporate them into your meal prepping, then make sure you thumbs up on this video, and I'll be sure to get that out as soon as possible. Now, I know that my videos are not as quick. I'm really working on trying to get 2 videos out a week to you guys. Bear with me. I'm super busy. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and I do a lot of things with my church, so I'm always busy. Hopefully by next month, I can start getting more videos out to you guys within the week. Anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing my workout, then make sure you keep watching. Also, don't forget that the meal prepping is at the end. If you guys are interested on how I achieved this makeup look, I also have a video for that, so make sure you go ahead and check that out as well. Also, before you keep going, y'all already know what I'm about to say. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click the alert button so that way you'll never miss any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Bye. All right, guys, so this is a really good alternative exercise if your gym doesn't have the abductor machine. It works the same thing, and all I did is use an elastic exercise band, put them around my ankles, and it adds resistance to this movement. Simple movement, but it's really effective. Okay, so right here is called Goblet Squat. Normally I like to do this elevated, but I decided to just do it on the floor. And you just have your legs, as you can see, wider than shoulder width. You have a moderately heavy weight. I use the 20. You squat down as low as possible. And as you come up, you just squeeze your glutes. Okay, guys, this is a movement called cable deadlifts. Pretty similar to your traditional deadlifts, except obviously we are using a cable machine. And I used a decently heavy weight. I honestly don't remember what I did, but you just go down until you pretty much feel it in your hamstrings, right under your glutes, and you'll feel a really good stretch there. And you just come up, and again, you squeeze your glutes. I know this movement may look a little bit just kind of weird, but it's a really effective exercise, and it's definitely one of my favorites. Okay, y'all, so I tried to do something that was a little advanced, but not realizing I can't even get on the Bosu ball and hold the cable machine. So it's a no. So I decided to just keep the Bosu ball upside down. And please make sure you're really careful when doing this. It's a lot easier if you have a partner at the gym with you. I just get on top of the Bosu ball as carefully as I could. And I squat low as possible for 30 to 45 seconds. seconds. Of course, this works the glutes and the quads. It's also a really good stabilization exercise, so I'm also working my abs. Okay, so this next exercise is extremely important when it comes to lifting your glutes. This is the hamstring machine. I love it. As I come up, I'm squeezing my hamstrings and my glutes, and I go down slowly, just making sure it's a very controlled motion. You don't want to go too fast. This is the alternative if your gym do not have a hamstring curl machine, or whatever you call it. I just use the dumbbell. It's so much easier if you have a partner to put the dumbbell into your feet, but it's the same motion, same concept. Of course, just, it's using a dumbbell and not a machine. Okay, guys, this is my all-time favorite exercise for my glutes. These are the cable kickbacks using a cable machine. I just used an ankle cuff that I purchased off of Amazon, hooked it up to the cable machine, and I kick back very similar to donkey kicks. As I kick back, I squeeze my glutes. If y'all can't tell already, anytime you do glute exercises, you have to squeeze them. All right, guys, so I just finished my workout. And now I'm gonna go home and do some meal prepping. I think I'm gonna do some chicken, some red potatoes, and I don't know, maybe I don't know. I want a vegetable, obviously, but I just don't know what, because I typically do not like to reheat up my vegetables. I like to have them fresh. They just taste better that way, because I do not like soggy vegetables. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do that because that was really requested on Facebook. So I want to make sure I get it out to you guys. My goal is to stay consistent with y'all. So y'all just kind of let me know what other things you guys would like to see as far as the fitness side of my page. I just want to make sure that I'm doing things that are interesting to you guys and not things that you could care less about, because that's a waste of my time, and it takes a lot of time to, film and edit and all that stuff and make it look, decent, for you guys. So yeah, so comment below if you have any ideas as far as the fitness side of my page on what you would like to see, and I would try my best to get them out to you guys. So yeah, all right. All right, guys, so what I will be meal prepping is chicken, red potatoes, and vegetables. I got this at Walmart for $20. It was about a little under 5 pounds for $20. So I guess it wasn't that bad, but I like these because they're individually wrapped, so I'm not forced to use all of them if I don't need to, but I'm meal prepping, so I may end up using all of it. I'm not sure yet. Oh, sorry, y'all. I'm about to drink that. Anyways, and then seasonings. I may not use these, but yeah, I got that. And then I have my olive oil. And then this is the main seasoning that I will be using. Now I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven at 425. And I'll be cooking the chicken and the red potatoes at the same time. So let's get started. Okay, guys, so here we're just getting our chicken, and as you can see, they are individually wrapped. Again, I love that they're like that. So of course I just cut them out. And here I'm just filleting them because they're a little bit too thick for my liking. So I'm just here just filleting them, cutting them in half. Plus it just creates more for less. Okay, so guys, I'm just showing you guys again how I did that, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, I'm just taking the chicken out of the wrapper, draining any juices that the chicken may have come with that I didn't record on camera, and then I'm just filleting each chicken breast, so that way I'm having double. That's pretty much all I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just showing you the recommended amount, which is 112 grams. So that's what I will be using after it's done. So here's the olive oil. As you can see, it's 14 grams of fat, the lime pepper seasoning that I'll be using, and that's 170 grams of sodium. Here are my red potatoes that I've already chopped up and put them into a container. I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil on top of it, and I'm going to also use my favorite seasoning by Flavor God, and just kind of sprinkle that on there, and then cover it with foil paper. Okay, guys, so next I'm just putting the chicken breast into the oven and the red potatoes together at 425, and I'm putting them in there for about 35 minutes. Okay, so here's the vegetables of my choice. It's steamers, which I really love using these because they're easy, and here's the recommended amount at 79 grams. So again, that is what I'll be using once everything is done. And you just basically put them in your microwave for about 5.5 to 6 minutes. And now I'm just measuring out the amount that was recommended. And here are the red potatoes at, I believe, 148 grams. So when they're done, I'm also going to be measuring those at 148 grams per container. Okay, guys, so here I'm just showing you again the recommended amount for the chicken, which is 4 ounces or 112 grams. Here I am just measuring out each chicken breast until it equals or measures out to be 112 grams for each container. Now you could do this raw or cooked. I've done them both ways, but make sure you stay consistent with the way that you do it. Okay, guys, so here is the finished product. I ended up with 3 containers that had vegetables, and the rest of my containers did not have vegetables. Those steamers do not come with a lot in them, but the good thing is that I bought more, so I can just pop them into my microwave and then add them to my lunch. Now I did not incorporate my macros into this video, but if you guys would like to see that, please make sure you comment below. I thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I love you guys. Bye.